we now?
So right now we are at the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. It's been here since 1978. You're hungry.
I'm ready for sweets. Sorry, didn't want to interrupt you.
No, we're gonna have very good sweets. And we're gonna have some ice cream flavors that you won't find in Italy. You won't find many of these flavors. And also you won't find in typical American places.
I'm very curious to see what's Chinese ice cream. I've never heard of it. So let's go.
Yeah, let's check it out. Chinese style flavors like durian, which is very strong. Fair warning, we have lychee, we have Thai ice cream, we have green tea, we have lychee rose, we have ginger, black sesame. Those flavors nowadays would be considered, quote, exotic. But when ice cream first became popular in the US in the early 1900s, those were the normal flavors. Vanilla, chocolate were actually the exotic ones.
Funny to hear that.
Yeah, so it's just literally reversed. So I think the best one I like the most is taro, and black sesame. It's really amazing. How is it?
Oh my god. Oh, I mean, I have no words. It's very, very good. Definitely different than gelato. It's smoother and milder in flavor. I would say the taro one is amazing. Now I'm gonna try this black sesame seed.
Black sesame, which is another very popular Asian flavor. You see all around Asia.
It looks like stracciatella gelato.
Oh, what is that?
It's like vanilla cream with pieces of chocolate.
With pieces of chocolate.
It's a very classic flavor in Italy.
We over here we call them
very good as well.
We call them cookies and cream. What does it taste? What does it taste like to you?
It's black sesame, which is I'm not a very big fan of normal like the white sesame, but the black sesame I like more. I cannot describe the difference. It's very subtle, but there is a difference. And this one actually tastes like black sesame seed, but I don't know, the combination with the other ingredients in the ice cream, it really works.
Dorrier Street used to be called the Bloody Angle. In my opinion, it's the coolest street in all of New York City. But the reason it was called the Bloody Angle, also some people call it Murder Alley, was because two rival gangs used to fight here because it's a double blind spot. You can't see who's coming that way, you can't see who's coming this way. And apparently one of these doors used to be tunnels that led right underneath and would go down to the Bowery. Those tunnels now are sealed off from public, but you can find videos of them on YouTube. And I've personally walked them before, about like 10 years ago.
So we can put the link of your video?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. We're gonna do it.
It says chemist. It's not a pharmacy. It's a speakeasy. A secret
Seriously?
cocktail. Yeah.
How do you know that?
And the guys who serve you the drinks, the mixologists, are wearing lab coats, like pharmacists.
Hey guys, we're back. It's already dark as you can see, but we spent 1 hour, even more.
On live video.
We did a live video in his Facebook
Yeah.
page.
We were talking all about how to travel on a budget here in New York City, and then we got really deep and philosophical towards the end about why traveling on a budget is beautiful.
Yeah, we discussed a little bit about my life
Yeah.
and about American mentality. So it was a very interesting conversation.
If you want to see more of my videos, I explore history of cities all around the world on facebook.com/Urbanist Live.
Remember that. And you will find also the video that we just recorded together.
Yeah.
So go check it out.
Thank you so much for bringing me along through this journey.
Thank you very much for all the tips and the knowledge that you share with us. I really appreciate it.
Enjoy your food in Chinatown.
Bye.
So, interesting history about this. This dates back to 200 BC, 200 AD, from a Chinese medicine man called Zhang Zhongjing, who, when he retired from being the person who ran most of the medicine in the empire, he went back to his village in northern China, and he ended up seeing that a lot of the villagers had frostbites on their ears. They felt from the cold, yeah, super cold, super bitter winter, and he felt really bad. But he couldn't just give them medicine because a lot of them might have had superstitions around traditional medicine. So he concocted a way to make a delicious food that was medicinal. So he made these little dumplings and filled them up with lamb and other herbs that were very, very good for combating the cold. And then they ate them up quickly. And the original name for it were jiao ear, which meant like tiny little ears. Like little like ears.
Well, the story of the dumplings.
So if you want a good medicinal treat, this is not just good food. This is also a party for the soul.